Itaya by pino pino. Bangwelia o. Italia by ono mano mogo. Bangwelia o. Itaya by angulundu. Bangwelia kera popu che. Imarivana lu ewelugilu ivana lu. Overtaking is allowed. You know, old school is over. Okhakhu is over. Pino has taken over. Obugini kana zori there. Point and kill. Obugini kana ekuni there. Point and kill. Obugini kana ekuni there. Point and kill. Umaka salaruku mobo. Point and kill. Con liver, are you better to go down? Point and kill. Obugini na kadi there. Point and kill. Baby la hot to kunobo. Point and kill. Baby na yoka asoko doibo. Point and kill. Even when the brave things are happening. Latest businesses in town. Bele madu kana bazi, you know, ukubeko. Abugini kana lady there. Point and kill. Abugini kana sudi there. Point and kill. Pino girls ukunoba. Point and kill. Baby la hot, asoko doibo. Point and kill. Akago walugesi oku. Point and kill. Makana vajule juo. Point and kill. Makana vadia sote. Point and kill. Udiabuni choro dinaya. Point and kill. Itaya by pino. Bangwelia o. Italia by ono mano mogo. Bangwelia o. Itaya by angulundu. Bangwelia kera popu che. Imarivana lu ewelugilu ivana lu. Overtaking is allowed. You know, old school is over. Okhakhu is over. Pino has taken over. Obugini kana zori there. Point and kill. Obugini kana ekuni there. Point and kill. Obugini kana ekuni there. Point and kill. Umaka salaruku mobo. Point and kill. Con liver, are you better to go down? Point and kill. Abugini na kadi venwe. Point and kill. Baby la hot to kunobo. Point and kill. Baby na yoka asoko doibo. Point and kill.
Romanus, yes, I saw your missed calls. How much am I owing you? 20,000. Okay. Can you just give me today and tomorrow and I'll give you your money? See, let me tell you something. My boss, the senator, is coming down to select some pino as usual. And once that happens, so much money will ball into my account and I'll give you your money. Let me surprise you. I am adding 5,000 to your money. So I am paying 20,000. So that next time you don't insult me because I am owing you. Yes, Romanus. You know? All right. Hello. Yeah, baby, what's up? I've been waiting. What's wrong with... Okay. Baseland Hotel. That is where your boy is waiting. Once you enter the hotel, just come behind the bar. Come on, I like you know, Nonso. You know. Exactly. Baby.
Come on, beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware. Beware. Come on, beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware. Beware. Come on, beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware. Be careful what to do. Watch your back. Whatever that goes around will surely come around. Whatever that aim and sow, that he shall reap. Be careful what to do. They are desperate chicks. Beware. They are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything just for money. Be careful what to do.
Beware.
Beware. Beware.
Be careful what
These
you
are
do.
sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware.
Watch them.
Beware. Come on, beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything.
They are dangerous.
They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything.
Watch
for
them.
money. Come on, beware. Beware. Come on, beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware. Beware. Come on, beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware. Beware. Come on, beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware. Be careful what you do. Watch your back. Whatever that goes around will surely come around. Whatever that aim and soul that he shall reap. Be careful what you do. They are desperate chicks. Beware. They are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything just for money. Be careful what to do.
Beware.
Beware. Beware.
Be careful what you
These
do.
are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything.
They are
have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware.
Watch them, watch them.
Beware. Beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything.
They are dangerous.
They have no conscience and too desperate.
Senator.
Justice, straight from the bakery. Yes, point and kill. Senator, barbecue. However we Senator, see this one, see this one. Refreshment. 20 more years to your life. Freshness. They are fresh. Yes.
Oh, Senator.
These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware.
Hey, Senator, point and kill. Barbecue.
Sexy.
These girls are River Niger. Hannah is a woman. River Niger. River Niger. Hannah. Are we?
Come and kill yourself.
Ladies, they are in for anything. They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything just for money. Be careful what to do.
Beware.
Beware. Be careful what you do. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything.
They
have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything for money. Come on, beware.
Watch them, watch them.
Beware. Beware. These are sophisticated ladies. They are in for anything.
They are dangerous.
They have no conscience and too desperate. They can do anything.
Watch them, watch
for
them.
money. Come on, beware.
beautiful, if that's what I should call you. I'm actually here to remind you how I extracted you from the gutters. I don't understand. Aside from using this big bottom or boobs you have to rouse men that I taught you how to do, what else do you think you can use this body to do? Nothing. Okay. And now you think that you can challenge me in the business I brought you into. You've grown. I can see that you've grown. Nobody, my dear, born of a woman can challenge me and get away with it. Nobody steps on my nose and expects to be balanced. No, that cannot happen. Now let me advise you, my dear. Run. You have to run. Run in the bush, run to heaven, run to hell, run to the gutters where I extracted you from. I don't care. Just run. Run. Nobody challenges me. Starts. Else, you and I will have to carry our baskets to the river and fetch water. Let's see who comes home with water. You or me. Run. R-U-N. Run! Baba. You and I.
Lady K, you have forgotten the fact that overtaking is allowed. This is my turn to shine. Adakuna line bateko. Lady K, don't try me. guy. Guy, you bringing more deals to me. Hey!
Let me tell you something. My Oga the senator cannot even stay without Pino. You know?
Oh no, go. Bye.
You know, you are on point.
You needed to see the tactics I used that day.
Are you serious?
Dedication all my thing. I show her smartness now. I told my girls, they wore bikinis on that. Immediately we saw the senator. And you see Bakwa.
Bam.
Senator now for packages. Backers any
Ifechukwu.
Senator was confused. You know,
Bye, Senator.
I needed to see Lady K's face. That is it. You see Lady K.
One you see about the Pelin. You see where Pelin.
You see your own share of the money. You know I'm a generous man. Chop and chop.
My.
You put it before top. But I'm a generous mama.
I believe you.
I will add more money to you. You're bringing deals.
You are in charge. You are directing. You see, Lady K, where was that Pelin? Pelin.
More drinks. No. More.
Hold on. Do you want me to tell them my ATM card PIN number? So they will go empty my account.
Relax.
Are you sure?
The bill is on me.
You know?
You yourself is on me. He may say copy in one room. You go pino.
You know? Ifechukwu. See, we take a billy bomb. Ifechukwu. Oh.
Yeah, let's go right here. Check it out.
Baby, this is money. Oh my God, this is wonderful. Take her. Did you steal this money?
This is money.
Of course, the money's money. Oh my God. Take her. Did you steal
Girls, life is good though. Trust me.
Good is an understatement, baby. Life is more than good.
I'm pretty sure the next time we meet with the senator, he's gonna fetch us some cars, you know.
Oh yes, you're right. He should, but I don't think Madam will allow us to go there again. You know why? Because the girls are going to feel cheated.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm sure, you know, Madam, she wouldn't want to do that. But anything can happen.
Yeah. Okhakhu, they worry, madam, I could leave her.
Seriously.
I swear.
Seriously.
Where did she go?
I don't know.
I don't know. I think all right. I'm feeling hot already, so I feel like oh jeez. Yes.
It's gonna make sense, you know.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I just see things. I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I do it with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. With dey go every show, we dey crew them up. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us. When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lewis in one look. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. He buy somebody purple. Someone knocking on my door, weeks no lever. You still the phone bus for your pockets. There is God, listen the screamer. Watching, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want to try me, make you know something. We sing the pop something for the NYC. Mama tell me what you dream, mama follow your way. Mama tell me what you dream, make I follow your way.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we get, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we get, we don't run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. I dey rap, I dey sing, I dey come MC. I dey go on the show, I dey fuck plenty. I dey go on the club, I dey pop something. Let me girl small me, go I got something. I dey go anywhere, I dey pop plenty.
Smart guy, I just don't understand him at all.
Babes, there's something that gets me worried.
What's that?
Each time I get through my book of reason, I feel so angry with myself.
Angry that you feel like killing yourself?
I'm not in for jokes. I'm serious about what I'm talking about.
So what are you talking about?
Can't you see? We've tried in this business. We need a good life. We need our own children.
Yeah.
We need to get married. We are not getting any younger.
Angela, you're really making sense. That's a reality check. You just opened my mind to something I never thought of. We don't need to end up like this. We don't need to end up alone. That is what might happen.
Babe, of what use is it for me to be suffering for someone else to be enjoying? I will sleep around with men for them to tear me apart like a chicken, after which someone will come and tell me about monthly salary and some stupid rules.
My own is that I can't continue like this. I can't continue like this at all. How can I work for 3 years? 3 good years. I can't even boast of anything. Just bags, shoes, jewelries. What's that? I can't boast of any meaningful money in my account. What kind of thing is that?
Babe, do you know that all these ladies that sells beans and plantains on the streets have better things in their accounts than we that knows the rooms of all the hotels in this city? It's a shame.
My dear, it's a big shame. A very fat one at that. But what do we do now? Do we have a choice? Do we really have a choice? Calm down. You think we do? I'm waiting for that. Because I can't wait.
Senator. Senator, you don't have a problem. Once I see the alerts, go cod liver oil, Fana refresh your body, looking forever young, be a point and kill.
Who is that?
Senator, please let me call you back, okay?
Sir. Sir.
Guys, you're welcome to my house. Sit.
I'm not come here to sit down with discussion with you. Adaeze came there. And you have only 2 options left. It's either you stop creating or you leave this now. Else, you will have us to dance with.
So blade the talk you sit down, Abi.
Message well taken. You guys do dirty business. So do I. And if you want to succeed in this our business, you have to be sincere. Sincerity is the key. This city is so big. It's large to contain all of us. I don't know why Kay is greedy. She's just so greedy. I don't know what I've done wrong to her. Please, can you guys help me ask her what I've done? Excuse me, guys.
Now that one concern you and Kay.
For you. And to add to this, I'm going to select my best, 2 of my best girls. Senator. Senator, you don't have a problem. Once I see the alerts, go cod liver oil, Fana refresh your body, looking forever young, be a point and kill.
Who is that?
Senator, please let me call you back, okay?
Sir.
Guys, you're welcome to my house. Sit.
I'm not come here to sit down with discussion with you. Adaeze came there. And you have only 2 options left. It's either you stop creating or you leave this now. Else, you will have us to dance with.
So blade the talk you sit down, Abi.
Message well taken. You guys do dirty business. So do I. And if you want to succeed in this our business, you have to be sincere. Sincerity is the key. This city is so big. It's large to contain all of us. I don't know why Kay is greedy. She's just so greedy.
I don't know what I've done wrong to her. Please, can you guys help me ask her what I've done? Excuse me, guys.
Now that one concern you and K.O.
For you. And to add to this, I'm going to select my best, 2 of my best girls. Pino, the appoint and kill. Kafadoziu no, Batasiao na akwara. Yaraga. Go disha. Like I said before, I'm a very generous person. And I know you guys like big things. Not like Ini Edo. If you still want to go with the big mama, if you guys still want to run things with me, I'm also available. Guy like that. Main man. So, I'm not greedy like Lady King. So, if you cooperate with me, this, that, and more of them will be coming your way. So, I tell you today to choose who you will serve. A greedy leader or a generous one.
I don't collect any money from them. I don't collect any money from them. Seriously, I swear, I don't collect any money from them.
Linda,
Yeah.
I don't want to go personal with you. Otu raketa, o de no de ki tugo mo ojobo. Otu yi ni cho iri mo ojobo. Don't allow me get physical with you. I beg you in the name of God, bring that money wherever it is to avoid my problem.
They don't give me any money. They don't collect money from them. I won't cheat you, I swear. They don't give me any money.
Cicero.
Please.
Cicero.
Please. Don't collect any money from them.
Get my money from that girl.
Don't collect any money from them. I'm saying the truth. I was cheating now. Oh, my God, they're not collecting the money. Ma.
Now get out of this compound. Get out! Hey, come here, come here. Come here! Get out! Get out! Throw this thing out of my gate. Move! Move!
Madam, I want to thank you for everything that you've done for me. You've been a nice woman and stands more like a mother to me. I really appreciate. And I pray that God will bless you. Madam, I want to tell you that I want to go back to my uncle's house so I can possibly find something meaningful to do with my life. That is what I said I should tell you. All of you have been wonderful friends to me. I am not regretting coming in contact with all of you. You people showed me love. You took me as your sister, despite my shortcomings. Thank you. I want to go. And I wish you all the best as you continue.
I told you that one day you need me and you call back. I'm here. Listen.
Scorpion, the problem I have with you is that you are too greedy. You talk way too much for my liking.
That's my hobby. But that's not why I'm here. So why am I here? Why have you summoned me?
I have a deal to run with you.
When the deal is ready, you call me.
been days now. I sent both of you to Queen's house. How come none of you have shown up since then?
Mama, now wow. Things only your matter with the run. Eh? We get one or two where we arrange. They put things in place.
I want both of you to get out of my house now.
Mama, why you talk like this now? I mean, because of that small boy we see for road. Relax now, we'll go tidy the matter now, no be so. Calm down, Mama.
Repeating myself has never been my style. Never.
Injustice in a place is a threat to justice elsewhere, guy.
See, King. Justice is justice. Be it positive or negative. But for this kind of matter, I don't feel easy anything. Because too much talk in my life.
Abi, nah, you know as they be we don't need much talk. You not blade me and a kid. So we go idea. Now our job now we go idea.
You don't have fun we will talk fun.
No be you again. We go run.
Kicking and bleeding the reason to forget too much talk in my life.
Okay, baby, come true, come true. Let's take a picture. Alright, baby. Say cheese. Come on, y'all must smile. Smile, baby, come on. No, why don't you take it with your hands, baby? Come on.
Oh.
Come on, stop wasting our time, girl. Of course. Sure. That's how I want it. Maybe bring your leg. Wrap me around. You comfortable? You okay? Hold me. You know I love you, baby. What? You're dulling us, Joe. I'm gonna do it, babe. Come on. Okay, look. See, I'm gonna do it. I'm a pro. Selfie pro. Come on, baby. Smile. Everybody, make a lion face like. Let's go. Your girls are crazy. You know what? It's time for purify. Oh no! Oh no! Wait! Ow! Oh! Wait! Let me get my own Come on, fight back! Fight me back! Great! Oh, that's the champagne.
Yeah.
And the food. Sure. This way. Put it down here. Woo! It's time to eat.
wait. Let me call for help. Let me go for help. Just remain calm.
How did it go?
Target 1 failed while others are successful.
I don't understand what you mean by target 1 failed. What do you mean by that?
I followed the information and arrived at the point. Target was not the one in the car.
So?
There's always a plan B.
Pushing me to the wall.
do this to yourself? Calm down.
Please, Trisha. Not only tell the girls to lie low. The ground is not level. My madam is haunting me. I know that whoever haunts me haunts my girls. She cannot get me. That I know, but I'm afraid for the girls. So tell them to keep calm for now till everything settles, okay?
Okay, fine, I'm going to inform them, but why don't we inform the police? Let's involve the police so they can take care of this. I mean, this is a matter of life we're talking about.
It's okay. It's taken care of. I'll see to it.
Please, just take it easy on you. I understand how you feel. I understand. Even me, I am scared. Like, I'm really terrified with what just happened a few hours ago. But, okay, you're taking care of things. I believe that.
Madam, put it now. Why are they running like this?
Emmanuel, see that bitch? Lady Dikeh. She's after my life. She wants me dead.
Lady Dikeh, I've known that woman to be a very strong woman. Why am the boy? But not when she steps on my toes.
Please, I want you guys to protect me. You know me, point and kill mama. I'm able and capable. Name your price. I'm ready to pay any price. Please protect me, please. Please, protect me.
I go down.
Come on. Go collect that bag first. You're letting him fall. Give me that phone.
Sorry.
You see how.
Stand up.
You know that you know they cool. Stand up.
Are you sure?
For you to be in the streets. You go share the coin.
But they are giant. I don't know. Some ginger you small so you go enter. Carry your phone. You're joking. Okay. Or just carry for mine. Say who will protect you. Nothing they happen. You are a better woman.
You are less than a woman. You failed an assignment 3 good times. A little girl. So what will happen if you are assigned to bring down an entire mafia? What would you do? I am highly disappointed. I regret ever doing business with you.
Well, I wouldn't say I'm sorry. But, Lady Dikeh, allow me to take this on a low key. I believe that girl has a little spiritual backup. She's not an ordinary girl. Just give me some time. I will execute it.
Guy, my life is in danger. Lady Dikeh is after my life. Some of my girls are dead, and from all indications, she's the one that killed them. So please, I want you to help me talk to the senator. Because that woman is pushing me to the wall. And if I should do something about it, lives will be wasted. So please, like I said, help me talk to the senator. Let the senator handle her himself. Please.
Is he after the selection?
Exactly. Mere jealousy.
Okay, there's no problem. Let me call Gabriel so that senator will handle the situation. Hello. Yeah, Gabriel, what's up? Okay. See, we're having issue here. You see, after that selection, Lady Dikeh is a kind of after Queen's life. Yes. I want you to talk to the senator so that, if possible, let him call Lady Dikeh. Or better still, send some security men to guide the Queen for now. That's good, that's good. Okay. All right.
Please, I don't think this call is enough. You need to see the senator. You need to talk to him. You need to let him know that this is serious. My life is on the line. Okay?
Queen, I just called Gabriel, and Gabriel is the first PA to the senator. He is always with the senator. By this call, I am telling you that senator will get the information immediately. He will handle it. It's not an issue.
You know, say on a normal, she's just an old school, eh? I go use and waiting, I go use young blood too. I just don't want all these innocent girls to suffer.
Kind of man, I give me one for road.
I'm not in that mood.
Okay.
Welcome to the news at noon. I'm Hilda Ike. This is to inform the general public that a notorious Lady K, a pandera, has been arrested for shooting her counterpart, Miss Queen Paul, in front of her residence at number 14 Bricks Road. While she awaits trial, we'll keep you updated. Stay tuned on Brink TV.
Things are happening. Latest business is in town. Bele madu kana bazi, you know, ukubeko. Abugini kana lady ve. Point and kill. Abugini kana sudi venwe. Point and kill. Pina gesu kuno ba. Point and kill. Baby la hotu aso kodoibo. Point and kill. Wende atago walu gesi oku. Point and kill. Makana vajule tuo. Point and kill. Makana vadia sote. Point and kill. Udiabuni choro dinaya. Point and kill.